Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve an interesting exponential equation. So my equation is 100 to the power of x is equal to 400. And I want to find the value of x. So we see that x is going to be in between 1 and 2 because 100 to the power of 1 is 100 and 100 to the power of 2 is 10,000. So it's going to be more closer to 1 than it is 2, but it's going to be somewhere in the range of 1 and 2. So to solve this, what I'm going to be using is logarithms. So I'm going to first start by taking the log on both sides. So I get log 100 to the power of x is equal to log 400. And if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move this exponent of b to the front, so I get b times log a. In this case, I have log 100 to the power of x. I can move x to the front, so I get x times log 100 is equal to log 400. Now, I'm going to take the log of base 100. So, log base 100 of 100 is just 1. And log base 100 of 400, well, 400 is the same thing as 100 times 4. So I can rewrite this as log base 100 of 100 times 4, which is equal to log of 4 over log of 100. And I have 1 plus this because of this. So now log of 4 is the same thing as log of 2 squared. And log of 100 is the same thing as log of 10 squared. So I can move the 2 to the front and the 2 to the front over here. So I get x is equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 over 2 log 10. These two cancel out, so I get x is equal to 1 plus log 2 over log 10, which is equal to 0.301. So x is equal to 1.301. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be solving the equation 36 to the power of x is equal to 3 over x. So my only variable in this equation is x, so that's what I'm going to be solving for. And now for my solution. So my equation is 36 to the power of x is equal to 3 over x. And what I'm first going to do is take the power of 3 over x on both sides. So now I have 36 to the power of x to the power of 3 over x is equal to 3 over x to the power of 3 over x. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 36 to the power of x to the power of 3 over x is going to equal 36 to the power of x times 3 over x. And this is equal to 3 over x to the power of 3 over x. So then now these two x's cancel out, and I get 36 to the power of 3 is equal to 3 over x to the power of 3 over x. And now from here, I can rewrite 36 as 6 squared. So I get 6 squared to the power of 3 is equal to 3 over x to the power of 3 over x. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 6 to the power of 2 to the power of 3 is going to equal 6 to the power of 2 times 3. And 2 times 3 is 6, so I get 6 to the power of 6 is equal to 3 over x to the power of 3 over x. And if I have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, this means that a is equal to b. So in this case, 6 is going to equal 3 over x. And I can solve this by using proportions. So 6 is the same thing as 6 over 1. So I get 6 over 1 is equal to 3 over x. And now I can cross multiply. 6 times x is 6x, and 1 times 3 is 3. So I get 6x equals 3. And now if I divide both sides by 6, these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to 3 over 6, which simplifies to 1/2. So I get x is equal to 1/2. So now, from here, to check, my equation was 36 to the power of x is equal to 3 over x. So x equals 1/2, so I get 36 to the power of 1/2 is equal to 3 over 1/2, which is equal to, turns into 6, is equal to 6.